Hello everyone, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. We've got this stunning 2017 Audi A1 1.4 litre TFSI Sportback. It comes with the scuba blue with a floret silver metallic contrast rooftop. Really nice vehicle. Ideal first car, to be honest. Really nice vehicle. We'll start off with the alloy wheels. It's got the 16-inch alloy wheels with a 5-spoke sport design. As a whole, the alloys are in great condition. There is a few marks here and there, a few scuffs, but as a whole, due to its mileage and age, really nice car regarding its exterior. Not only that, it comes with the halogen lights with features such as daytime running lights and the front fog lights. Not only that, has the sport suspension at the front and at the rear. It has rear parking sensors as well. A really nice feature of the vehicle. And also comes with the floret silver metallic contrast rooftop. Nice addition to the vehicle. I'll show you inside. As you can see, it's got the child protection, electronic adjustable windows, electronic adjustable wind mirrors with the heated wind mirrors, storage compartment, lovely interior with the mixed fabric and the laser blue leather interior. Nice addition to the vehicle. Step inside. Has a multifunction steering wheels, features such as Bluetooth hands-free, voice control and cruise control with speed limiter. Also includes the automatic wipers and headlights. Really nice big display. As you can see, 48,287 miles on the clock. Also includes the 6.5-inch display with features such as drive select mode, so efficiency, auto and dynamic. A few different features. Bluetooth integration once you've set it up and obviously paired it to a phone. It also includes the radio, so it has AM, FM and DAB. Not only that, has a air conditioning, a start and stop function just there. A really nice function of the vehicle. Like I said, air conditioning, has front heated seats at the driver's and passenger side with 2 different settings, all working perfectly fine. Driver's select mode, front heated windscreen, 12-volt plug socket, storage compartment, 2 cup holders, a 6-gear knob, mechanical parking brake and storage compartment. Plenty of spec, and it also has really nice interior. Great condition as a whole. Not only that, has the electronic adjustable windows at the back, storage compartment, like I said, lovely interior with the laser blue leather and the mixed fabric. Plenty of leg space, as you can see, for the people in the back. Also includes the ISOFIX seats, which is really nice. Would be a real life family car. Yeah, overall great car. I'll just show you the back. As you can see, it's got the boot, really big boot. Plenty of space. Valet's done a great job cleaning the vehicle and looking after it, although the vehicle did come in a very nice condition anyway, so they didn't really have much work to do. But yeah, really nice car as a whole. Don't sleep on it, as it will go soon, well, very fast. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle or information about your own part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.